How to translate supplier messages on Alibaba. Communicating with suppliers from different countries is easy with Alibaba. This guide shows you how to use the built-in translation feature to talk to suppliers without any language barriers. First, go to Message tab and see all of your conversations with suppliers. Find the message that you want to translate and tap on it. You'll see the message from the supplier in their language. Next to the message, you'll see a translate button. Tap on it and the message will be translated into your language. This is a very useful feature that will help you understand your supplier. You can also use this feature to translate your own messages. Just type your message in your language and the app will translate it for the supplier. This will make your conversations much more faster and efficient. You now know how to translate messages on Alibaba. Get ready to talk to suppliers from all over the world. Like and subscribe for more business tips.